American Family Fields of Phoenix, one of Arizona's spring training stadiums. American Family Fields is the closest stadium to downtown Phoenix and home to the Milwaukee Brewers during spring training. The stadium was previously known as Maryvale Stadium, but after undergoing a major renovation in 2019, it changed to the current name to complete the transformation and match the name of the Brewers' primary field in Milwaukee. It's located in the neighborhood of Maryvale and is about 15 minutes from downtown Phoenix by car or an hour via public transportation. The 2019 remodel makes American Family Fields one of the most state-of-the-art fields in the Phoenix area. The parking lot has ample space for visitors and all of the 7,000 stadium seats have backs so you can enjoy the game and not worry about feeling sore later. The lawn seating around the outfield is even more casual and gives spectators the best chance at catching a home run ball.